Before start this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks.
Visakhapatnam, the Indian Institute of Management, Visakhapatnam hosted a two-day Hindi workshop to enhance the language skills and cultural inclusivity of the staff. The workshop covered several aspects like introducing basic Hindi vocabulary and grammar, using colloquial and Hindi phrases for everyday situations, and reading and writing exercises to improve Hindi comprehension, cultural insights, and appreciation of Hindi-speaking regions. Assistant Director, Official Language, RCI Kazim Ahmed, delivered a lecture on official language policy and its perpetration. He said that the workshop is a unique opportunity to develop language skills and embrace the rich cultural heritage associated with the Hindi language. He briefed and emphasized the different aspects of translations, like verbatim and technical, which can be implemented for better language skills. A competition in Hindi language, consisting of translation, dictation, handwriting, and essay writing, was also conducted later in the session. The institute awarded the winners Professor Amit Shankar, Professor T. Sunita, and Dr. Bhaskar Ram with cash prizes and a certificate of appreciation. Speaking at the valedictory session, IIMV Director Professor M. Chandrasekhar expressed his gratitude towards the chief guest and appreciated the efforts of non-Hindi employees who are continuously putting efforts to upskill their language ability. He assured that the suggestions provided by the chief guest will be implemented to enhance the language skills. IIMV Senior Administrative Officer Mr. Jelani Mohammed said that the institute will organize such events in the near future to enhance the workforce's productivity towards language skills. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.